Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for First Merchants Bank. If you don't have a First Merchants Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $50 MasterCard reward card when you open a personal checking account or auto loan. Once you click on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this page. On this page, scroll down a little and you will see this section. Here, enter all the required information. Then click on Register. After registering, you will receive an email that looks like this. At the bottom part of the email, you will see an option for Online. Click on Online. After that, you will be directed to this page. At the upper part, you will see an option for Personal. Click on Personal. Then several options will appear. Click on Checking. Next, you will see the list of checking accounts. In this video, I'm going to apply for a First Merchants First Direct Checking. Click on the button under the type of checking account you wish to apply for. Before you proceed, enter your zip code. Then click on Continue. To start your application, enter all the required personal information. Also, read the disclosure and agreement. Then click on the tick box beside I agree to the e-signed disclosure and consent agreement. After that, click on the Start Application button. Next, enter your address and your contact information. For identity verification, select the identification type. Then enter all the information related to it. Also, enter your date of birth, social security number, and citizenship. After that, click on Next. Now, complete the employment information, as well as the account funding. Lastly, read the disclosures. Then click on the tick boxes to confirm. After that, review all the account information. Then click on the Submit Application button. That's how you sign up for First Merchants Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.